Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, our lesson is the importance of Tawheed. Monotheism. Monotheism means believing in only one God. And the lesson we are learning is that every person is born with the natural
What
belief.
means fitra?
Fitra means recognizing Allah and believing Him as the only true God.
The meaning of polytheism.
Polytheism means associating others with Allah, or associating another thing and not believing in Allah. So every person is born with the natural belief of only one Allah. But when shirk comes, like a baby is born in another religion, where his parents are associate others than Allah,
Yes.
so the baby he doesn't know, and then he just converts into another religion.
So here is the purpose of creation. Allah created jinn and humans.
Yes, indeed Allah created jinn and us humans to worship Him.
Stop
Islamic
talking.
evidence is وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنِّ وَالْإِنسِ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. I did not create the jinn and humans except to
Types
worship.
of worship.
Types of worship. There are three types of worship. The first one is worship of the heart, worship of the tongue, and worship of the body.
So here is the purpose of sending messenger and books.
Yes. The Tawheed is Allah sent messengers and revealed books to us so that we could act upon Tawheed, believe in Tawheed that Allah is one.
Evidence.
The evidence is وَلَقَدْ بَعَثْنَا فِي كُلِّ أُمَّةٍ رَسُولًا أَنِ اعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ وَاجْتَنِبُوا الطَّاغُوتَ. We
Okay.
certainly sent to every nation a messenger telling that to worship Allah and avoid false gods.
Okay.
So,
Tawheed is the first obligation.
yeah, okay. So the first obligation is the very first duty on us servants of Allah is that to worship Him alone. Evidence is وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. And your Lord has decreed that you worship none but Him and show kindness to parents.
Okay.
Means that your Lord has decreed that you worship none but Him, associate nothing but only worship Him. The fourth is the Tawheed is the basis for acceptance of deed. No deed is accepted without believing, like if he's a believer in believing Tawheed. So and even though if he's not a believer, if he does a very good deed, it will not be accepted, and he's a
Okay.
believer.
Tell me hadith Mu'adh ibn Jabal.
Mu'adh ibn Jabal is like
It's
when
very
a
famous
sahaba,
hadith.
it's a hadith like when a sahaba asked the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, like, what is the right on Allah on us servants, and what is the right of us servants on Allah? So the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, the right on Allah on us servants is that Allah, like us servants have to worship Him alone and associate nothing with Him and believe Him. And our right, us servants' right on Allah is that when we do good deeds and avoid shirk, false gods, Allah will not punish us and reward us.
Only the believers in Tawheed will enter paradise.
Okay, yes, only believers will enter paradise. Those who act upon Tawheed will only enter paradise, unlike polytheists who associate other than Allah. So, there is Islamic evidence. Surah Al-Ma'idah, translation: Indeed, he who associates others with Allah or other than Allah has forbidden paradise for him, and his home is the fire, and the wrongdoers will have no helpers. This translation of the ayah.
Okay, good.
Translation of the ayah means that
Please stop. Okay.